So there's Laurel and Hardy. They're Swedish runner ducks. They're half Swedish, half runner. There's Big Bertha. They're free. They're free range. There's pools over there. And my girls. There's my big rooster. Shaka Zulu. They perch on that table right there at night, so it's like the round table. That's what I call it. They all perch all the way around it. That's Bridget Bardot. She's a French Favaroli. And this is a copper marans. This is a giant Jersey. There's another French copper marans over there. They lay a dark chocolate egg. Hi, Laurel. Hi, Laurel. What you looking for? Looking for bugs and slugs?